All right, I am done. Now let's unplug. Unplugged it, perfect. Now we have this cord. The cord is all over the floor, and I need to wrap the cord from here up and around. So let's start to wrap it up. Wrapping it up. Wrapping the cord safely back on the vacuum. Okay, I'm wrapping it. All right, I'm done. Let's connect this part here. Push that in. Perfect. All right, let's put the vacuum cleaner away. Let's put it back. There we go, into this little closet area. Push this back. Good. Let's close this curtain. Let's turn off that light. And now we can enjoy looking at our nice clean floors. Yay!